So if you want to clear cache in your Safari on iPhone 16e, there are two methods of doing this. So the first one is to open up your Safari, tap on this book icon, this is your history. All right, now here we're gonna find and tap edit. So basically we can see the whole bookmarks here, right? So now we're gonna press edit, and if you have any, simply press clear and it will be cleared. Great. The second method is through your settings. So open up your settings, and you have to scroll down to your app section. In our app section we gotta find our Safari. Great, let's open up our Safari. So here we gotta find our advanced. Or, yeah, we can also find history and website data and simply press history and website data. So choose what you want to choose, and now press clear. That's how you do this. Also press advanced. Don't forget to do this. And in your advanced tab, let's find our website data. And once again, we can press edit and clear it if you have any. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.